Come here. Sarge, come here. Hi. Oh, he loves the snow. Come here. Where are you? Come here. It's deep over there. Oh, look at you. You look like a little dolphin. A brown furry dolphin. Hi. This is our backyard. Gorgeous. Hi. Do you like the snow? Do you like it? Yes. Oh, love it. So pretty. What? What? What do you have to show me? Come here. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where is he? Show me where Daddy is. Where is he? Is he snow blowing? Come here. Is that him over there? Go running. Go running. What is he doing? Oh my gosh, he's trying to rip down a tree. Oh my goodness. He's nuts. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Why are you chopping down a tree? Sarge, you're crazy. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Come on, let's go find him. Come on. It's our front door. And I put this in the snow, see if Matt even notices it. Hi! Hi! There's Mr. Hot Stuff. Go running! Sarge, go get it! Go get it! Okay, I've gotten this camera wet enough for one